Welcome to Spring LIB.
So, a regional express delivery service company recently conducted a study to investigate the relationship between the cost of shipping package Y, the package weight X1, and the distance shipped X2. Okay, so 20 packages were randomly selected from among a large number received shipment. And the detailed analysis of the shipping cost was conducted for each package. This sample observations are given in the file, and it gives the file. Estimate the simple linear regression equation involving the shipping cost and the package weight. Interpret the slope coefficient of the least squares line in the R squared value. So I'm using Excel to do this, and so I'm going to I'm going to highlight what I want, and I'm going to insert a scatter plot. And this is, I'm going to add in a title. Oops. And this is going to be, for the axes title, this is package weight. And then, I have package weight, and then I have for axes title for the X, it's cost of shipment. And then I want to include the the trend line, which is going to be linear, and to get the equation and the R squared, I'm going to make this bigger so that you can see this. So the equation of the trend line is y equals 0.3101 x plus 1.9571, and R squared equals 0.3361. And then it says add another explanatory variable, distance shipped, to the regression model in part A. Estimate and interpret this expanded equation. How does the R squared value for this multiple regression equation compare to that of the simple regression equation in part A? So it wants to add another, let me see if it will do this. So insert a scatter plot. And so if it adds another variable, this is how it does this. Let me just move this over. And what it's doing is it is just plotting the series. It's calling it series 2 for this data. It's using, for the y-axis, it's using distance shipped. And for the x-axis, it's using, so it's taking the package weight and putting it down here. Now it says, add another explanatory variable, distance shipped, to the regression model in part A. So what I think that it should be done, I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to move this. I'm going to cut this. Oh, okay. I'm going to cut this, and I'm going to insert it here. And I'm going to make a scatter plot of this data. And this is the table for this data. It really is no correlation. You could put in some type of a trend line, and it's a very weak trend line, I will say that. And to display the equation for this, I'm just going to make this in bold. And I'm not sure if that's what it was asking for, but that is another explanatory variable, the distance shipped. So I hope that this video helps. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.